Alright guys, well here we are again. We're going to do another one of these little quick bike checks, but this time it's going to be on a little bit different kind of bike. What I got here is a DB30 Doodlebug from, who they make them? Baja Motorsports. So let's take a look at this thing. This is fresh from the shed find because it came out of my shed. We've already put the big old Honda 6-horse on it. It is tactical. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to turn this thing into a little drag bike. We got the front reinforced suspension there because, you know, I hit a lot of trees and did a lot of crashing with it. We got the original tires are still on it, although who knows what all I've done. We've got that right there, which is a solid piece of steel now. So inside there's solid steel re-welded on there. Cannot break it. I think that was my little battery box I put on there for the headlight. Haven't used that obviously in a long time. But yeah. And we got this little thing for it. Bam! A nice Honda 5-horse for it as well. So I'm going to be building both of these up to, you know, that guy Trey. We're going to see what he's got. Don't mind the crank, it'll get changed. Got the fuel pump. I got all that on the 6, but I don't know what the guy's got. So he's either got a 5 or a 6. I got them both. We got the Honda and the Honda GC 160 and GC 190. Well, stay tuned for a little of that too. Obviously, if there's a couple of guys who want to race, we're going to do some racing as well. Colby's going to be my jockey. We're going to get it up in the horsepower range. Maybe run some methanol. Y'all stay tuned.